So, I started an AI business almost 2 years ago with no experience, no knowledge, and no money. And since then, I've created a brand called Insidr AI with over 130,000 subscribers across platforms, featured in Forbes, and generated over a million in revenue, including selling different AI solutions for up to $20,000. AI has come a long way since then, and it's developing really fast, and that's why we now focus on helping businesses and individuals using AI to their advantage. So today, I want to go through the step-by-step process that I would go through if I was starting over. If you've been thinking about how to capitalize on AI for other businesses, this guide will cover everything you need, from finding a niche, choosing a target client, deciding on service, and all the way to learning, delivering, and growing your business. Now, quickly before we get started, make sure to check the first link in the description to join the free AI community, where we teach you more about how to leverage AI yourself for your work, business, and productivity. And we have a lot more free AI resources for you to try. But now, let's jump into the video. Now, first of all, I want to point out that there are many ways to make money with AI, and the way we have done it has been through multiple sources of income. So, we have done sponsorships with AI tools, we have done products that we have sold, and we have done AI solutions that we have sold to different businesses. And there are also several other ways to do it as well, but this video will be focused mostly on service delivery and how to find services to sell. So just keep that in mind when you are deciding on how you can make money with AI. It's a little dependent on your specific situation, and you shouldn't necessarily do all of this or do specifically what other people tell you to do. You should think about if that is the right one for you. So with that in mind, let's move on to the first step. So the first step is find your niche. So let's talk about one of the most crucial parts of your business, which is finding the right niche for you. Not all businesses need the same AI services, and by finding a specific niche, you're setting yourself up for success. So how can you actually find the right niche? We can start by looking at industries where AI is in demand. So this could be e-commerce, healthcare, marketing, and logistics. These are all experiencing strong growth in AI. So we could use tools like Exploding Topics or Google Trends to pinpoint areas where demand is increasing. An example of this would be predictive analytics is hot in retail right now, while chatbots are big in customer support. And next, and most importantly, we also want to evaluate competitors. So look at freelance platforms like Upwork or even LinkedIn and see what AR services are being offered and what's popular in your industry and interest right now. So this research will help you understand where your services can stand out and offer more value than the competition. The second step is defining your target audience. So with your niche decided, it's time to focus on your target audience. So who are the ideal clients for your AI services? Are they a startup looking to scale quickly? Are they small to medium-sized businesses needing to automate repetitive tasks? Or are they large businesses needing data insights? Now, to help you define this, tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator are very useful, and you can filter businesses by size, industry, location, and even their interest in AI. And for more detailed customer profiles, we could use ChatGPT to create customer personas. And you could ask it to describe a typical client in retail who needs AI for sales forecasting, for example. And with a clear target audience, your messages and services will be much more aligned to what these businesses actually need. The third step is to decide on the actual AI service that you will offer or crafting this specific offer for your audience. So the best services are those that solve real business challenges like increasing sales, saving time, or improving customer satisfaction. And some popular AI services includes creating chatbots for automating customer support, and it also includes AI driven content creation for marketing. It could be video creation, text creation, email marketing, and so on. It can also be creating AI agents for businesses, either internal agent for internal communication or external for maybe lead generation or AI appointment setting. Each of these services, they fit different business needs. So choose the ones that aligns with your niche the best. For example, if you're targeting real estate, you might focus on predictive analytics for property trends. If it's e-commerce, personalized product recommendations could be your main offer. Now, if you are a marketer or are in sales, then maybe creating an AI appointment setter would be the best option. Okay, now that you know what services to actually offer, it's time to learn the skills and tools needed to deliver these services effectively. So, to be able to deliver, you obviously need to learn. So, to get started, check out online courses, AI tools, and other resources on YouTube or other websites. And I recommend finding a few different creators in the AI space to learn from and then start digesting their content that fits your situation the best. And I also recommend joining our free AI community. It will be the first link in the description, where we have a lot of free AI resources, more coming all the time, and lessons that you can learn for free. Another way to build hands-on experience is by using platforms like ChatGPT or other AI tools yourself, where you can experiment with different AI tools. For example, for AI content creation, or building different AI agents and deploying them, or any other application. So make sure to also check our AI tools directory with over 500 of the best AI tools for different needs. The link will be in the description as well. Now, step five is to actually choose the right tools to deliver the services. So now that you're confident in your skills, you actually need to find the right tools to deliver the services. So the tools you choose will vary depending on the service that you're offering. So, for example, if you're focused on chatbots, you could use Dialogflow or Stammer AI to help build custom chatbots for your clients. And for content creation, you can, for example, use Jasper or Copy AI. They are both very powerful options that can help you generate blog posts, product descriptions, or even social media content. And if you need help integrating these solutions with other tools, Zapier or Make.com, they can automate this workflow across all of your tools. So, by choosing the right tools, you will ensure that your service delivery is smooth and professional. Now, step six is develop a service delivery workflow. So, consistency in delivery is crucial. So, let's create structured workflow for your business. This includes everything from client onboarding to service implementation, feedback, and follow ups. So, start with a discovery call using tools like Calendly to schedule meetings. And during the call, get clear on each client's goal and challenges. So develop standard operation procedures, or SOP as they are also called, for each of your services. So these are step-by-step guides that you can organize on Notion or Trello to make sure every client gets the same quality experience. Now you can also plan regular feedback loops to improve as you go. And this can be done using survey tools called SurveyMonkey with AI-powered sentiment analysis to gather client feedback and improve your services. Now, step seven is to actually market and grow your AI service business. With your services and processes in place, it's time to start getting your first clients and start growing the business. So, start by building an online presence. You can set up a website showcasing your AI services, including any case studies or testimonials that you can gather. So, for this, you can use 10web or Durable to make a website in about 30 seconds, or you can just use WordPress if that's what you are used to. Now, keep in mind, you don't have to spend weeks and weeks building a website. It can be really, really simple, a one-pager to get started. That's all you need. And for content marketing, it can be super effective, especially when using different AI tools to post on different channels. You can use Jasper or ChatGPT to create different blog posts, videos, or social media posts that educate potential clients about how AI can actually solve their problems. Now, I also recommend doing direct outreach to find different clients on LinkedIn or other social media platforms to find your potential clients. Now, just make sure to personalize each message with insights from tools like Crystal Knows, which uses AI to analyze personality or communication styles. And the more tailored your outreach can be, the better engagement and the better response rates you will actually be able to get. So the last step is refine your services continuously based on feedback and data. So as you work with more clients, continuously improving your services is essential. Analyze your service performance with AI-driven analytics to see what's working and what is not. So for example, check engagement metrics for chatbots and analyze the accuracy of data models for clients using predictive analytics. And also be proactive about incorporating client feedback. A quick survey or monthly check-in with your clients, it can provide insights you may not get otherwise. So as you gain more experience, consider expanding your services to cover related AI needs or even branching into new. For example, if you have mastered creating AI agents for your clients or different AI appointment setters or lead generation chatbots or voice assistants or whatever, then you can branch into other niches as well if you have already mastered one of them. Either double down on that until you can't anymore or outsource it to someone else, then you can branch into something new. So there we have it. This is what I would do if I was starting over again today. To quickly summarize, find your niche, define your target audience, decide on the AI services that you will offer, and create the offer for the service. Learn the AI services that you will offer, choose the tools for the service delivery, develop a service delivery workflow, market and grow your AI service and business, and lastly, refine services based on feedback and data. So make sure to click the first link in the description to go to the AI community where you can find more free AI resources and learn how to use AI to your advantage. And I'll see you in the next video.